did you do that to yourself, Narcissus?
Do you pity me?
I do.
Pity, love, friendship. Before any of those, there is something one must fulfill for oneself, not for others. A dream, and mine was to know the truth, to know myself.
And when you finally knew yourself?
In this masquerade of love and grace, where every smile concealed a hunger, I was the only one I could truly love and be loved by. The flame was mine, and it burned in me. So tell me, was it pride or vanity? Nay, I don't need your pity. I pity the world.